Hello everyone and welcome, whether you're watching this on my YouTube channel, my Instagram page, or my Facebook page. Welcome to Rising with Dawn. My name is Erica Dawn and I'm a former NBA dance captain and collegiate dance team coach. Although there has been a shift in the atmosphere, literally, time is still flying by and I fully anticipate that audition season is just around the corner. Here in the next couple of weeks, I will be dropping huge coaching and training opportunities for you to work directly with me to get yourself prepared for your next audition. Whether it be for a collegiate, semi-pro, or professional cheer dance team, or maybe you just want to brush up on your dance technique and skills, I'm here to help. That is why right now I am offering a free one-on-one preliminary coaching call with me, not only to give you first-hand knowledge on what's to come, but also to discuss your dance goals as well as uncover some areas where you feel you could use a little help. It's time to get to work, guys, so please don't hesitate to fill out the sign-up form and schedule your free one-on-one preliminary coaching call with me today. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Let's get to work and we'll talk soon. Bye.